Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete messages on the Skype application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the Skype application if you already have it on your PC. Of course, if you don't, you will need to go and open whatever browser you are owning or what you are using, or whatever browser is working for you will be great. Once you open that browser, go to the URL section and type download Skype application and hit the enter button, go to the first link and start downloading the application. Of course, this will be pretty simple and easy. It will be like any other download. You must have been downloaded something in your PC before. Once you did one of those two options, or once you download it actually, sorry, you will need to go and open it up and install it, then open it up. Then they will ask you to log in into your account. If you don't have an account, you will need to go and create one. And now, once you did one of those options, you'll find yourself here with this homepage or with the main screen that you will have, and with the welcome sentence and your name or your username. And as we said in the beginning of the video, you would like to delete the messages of a conversation or of a group or whatever. So let me just go here to the chats option on the left here. Let's just go here to this. So now you can actually create a new chat, a new group chat if you don't have any. Let me just name this whatever. Go next. Done. I don't want to add anyone on it. And here I'll start like typing my messages. Of course, you can type how much messages you want. And of course, you would like to delete these messages. Of course, you have the option of deleting them one by one. You can just go and right click on the message, then select message and delete it from here. But this will be too boring if you want to delete all the messages. So of course, if you want to delete all the messages, just go to the group here and right click on that. And here you will have an option clear conversation. If you click on it, this will certainly delete all the messages on this group and you will be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.